Have you played this amazing game called the Super Mario? Well, of course you have. Who hasn't? But did you know that this game would not have been possible without geometry? Why? Well, you'll find it out in this video. Hello students, my name is Akshay and I'll be your guide through the world of geometry. To know what Mario and geometry have in common, let's call Mario himself. This is what Mario looks like in the game. But this is not how it was imagined. In fact, the colors were added later. So let's get rid of them. This was how Mario was initially imagined. On having a closer look, you'll realize that it is made up of triangles, rectangles and squares. That's how magical geometry is. It would be really difficult to imagine the world of 3D games without geometric shapes. अरे 3D गेम्स तो रहने ही दीजिए, आपकी सबसे फेवरेट गेम PUBG भी नहीं बन सकती थी और PUBG के बिना लाइफ कैसी हो गई है ये तो आप सब जान ही चुके हैं. You might have already figured out what this chapter is about. Yes, it is about geometric shapes or polygons. But more importantly, it is about understanding quadrilaterals. And before we dive into that, let's first revise the concepts that we have learnt in Standard 7. चलिए पहले वो कर लेते हैं. I recently learned to make a paper plane. Here's one. Now let's try to fly it. Not bad, huh? By the way, did you notice the path that the plane followed in the air? Let's retrace it. The path that the paper plane followed is called a curve. चलिए अब एक ज़्यादा relatable example की बात करते हैं. Whenever you are in class and you are bored, what do? I don't know about you, but I used to draw something on the last page of my notebook, like this. This is also called doodling, and it is yet another example of a curve. I hope you are not doodling right now.